A very good morning to you all. And yes, it's sunny and warm, and we're going to have an absolute ball today. What a beautiful, beautiful day it is. We are going to have a train day. Yes, we are. Welcome to my channel. I love to cook, I love to travel, and I love to share my journey. So glad you could join me today. Come on, we're going on the train. And we might just have a cup of tea before we go. What a cute tea rooms. Oh, that smells good. Here I am sitting here having a cappuccino in a rail carriage waiting for the train. We're going on a steam train and I'll just show you where we're going. We're going to end up at number 22, which is Spot the Red Kites and Buzzards. Oh, here we go. End of the line. That's where we're going. I will show you all about it. Renovations to the Gwili steam railway began with its formation in 1970s, aiming to reopen a section of the old line with significant track replacement in a major £350,000 project completed around 2017. Ongoing modernisations like a new parking facility and other extras like the tea rooms and library etc. were started in 2023 for better visitor experience. And there sure was ample and, more importantly, free parking available. And yes, we enjoyed our cuppa and our snack when we got back.
Committee have got no objection.
Our accommodation, which was extremely comfortable I have to say, was close to Carmarthen. Len is a steam train enthusiast, and as you may know, I just love trains. The Gwili steam railway in Carmarthen gave us a chance to see the area using this nostalgic mode of transport following the scenic river Gwili through the lovely Welsh countryside. We loved the unique outing, having enjoyed a piece of Welsh railway history on this 4-mile route. Along the way, we noticed a familiar flower, rampant in our area too. The Impatiens glandulifera. It's a Himalayan balsam, and it's a large annual plant, and yes, it's pretty, but it is native to the Himalayas, and no place here really. Due to human introduction, yes, somebody brought it over here, it is now present across much of the Northern Hemisphere. Certainly here in the Netherlands, it's considered an invasive species. Uprooting or cutting the plants is an effective means of control. Well, so they say anyway. Enjoy the ride, enjoy the scenery, enjoy the nostalgia. remember the trains from the late 50s to the early 60s. You know, we used to be train travellers, my family. My father worked for the railway in the Netherlands, and we went to school by train every day. So it was really quite fun to have a look at, not so much that we went by steam train, but certainly look at the nostalgic paraphernalia, the suitcases, the luggage, the wooden seats in some of the trains and that sort of thing. So it was really, it was a nostalgic trip, not just going through the beautiful countryside in Wales, but also just matching up with some of the memories that I had from my own childhood. While we're in the train, but that doesn't matter. It's dry now. The sun's out. A tiny weeny sun shower. Nothing to get excited about. Oh, I'd take my hat off to all these people who spend as much of their spare time as they've got to bring this history back to us so that we can see, enjoy, learn and remember, of course. We've come a long way since some of these carriages.
A Roscoe lubricator on display there. It's been Swedish friendly. Because it needs a Roscoe lubricator. We didn't know, we couldn't buy one, we can't get one from anywhere.
And not only were there volunteers who worked on the carriages and on the rail, but also walking around sharing some information for those interested to listen. So it was a wonderful day all in all. On the train, can make special arrangements for large groups, and refreshments can be served as there is a kitchen facility carriage as part of the train. We're on the return journey, and having seen all those scones and thinking about food along the way, we decided when we get back to the railway station we were going to have some of that gorgeous food which smelled so yummy. Oh, thank you for joining us in the steam train and the wonderful nostalgic day we had. Now there's more to come, and I've got more Wales coming up. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Whoa. There you go. How's that? Just imagine after a long drive with beautiful scenery, you drive down this lovely driveway with a babbling brook right next to it. Maybe you can hear it babble. And then you turn and you come up here, up this driveway.